Hello students. So now in this experiment we will learn about the interfacing of sensor with Arduino microcontroller. And in Arduino microcontroller, you know about the Arduino microcontroller already. So now let's discuss this experiment and let's find that what are the possible things with the sensor, and and how we can proceed on this experiment in this lecture. So it is interfacing of sensors with Arduino microcontroller. Here I am leaving one of the experiment, and that is that if you will come in the lab, then you can do this experiment. I am leaving the experiment on cloud. So let's discuss about the interfacing of sensors with Arduino microcontroller. So again with this here I am using the IR sensor. You can use your own sensor, or you can interface any kind of sensor with the Arduino microcontroller board. So that is not a restriction that only IR sensor you need to use. You can use any type of the sensor. Okay. Here is the Arduino Uno. We will use Arduino Uno. We can also use Arduino Nano, because the aim is Arduino microcontroller. So you can use any kind of Arduino, and for the interfacing we have the IR module. You can use your any kind of the sensor, and we will again use the ambient light sensor here. Arduino IDE installed on the computer, so it is also required whenever we are going to install the whenever we are going to deal with this type of sensor. So here let's connect it with the USB, and connect the USB to the board. Check the port is appearing on the Energia, or you can find the any Arduino COM board, and port will be available as COM3, COM4 and so on. It may be any port available at the tools, and this tool on this COM port you have to tick, and write the code on text editor, save the code and compile it and upload this code. So that is a connection diagram. So this is your IR sensor. I have already told you that you can use any type of sensor. There is no any restriction with the sensor, so you can use your own sensors also to interface with the Arduino. So here we have 3.3 volt for the Arduino, ground volt for the Arduino, and A0 is the analog pin, and A0 pin we will use in this case for our interfacing with the Arduino. Okay. So now this is a code, and in this code you can find there is a void setup where we are beginning the serial input internal serial of the microcontroller. Now in void loop we will check the value of the sensor. Now we can change this sensor into the voltage, and then we can print the voltage on the COM port. Right, we can also use the floating point of the voltage. So that depends on you. We are taking the reference of 3 volt, so we are taking here 3 volt. You can use 5 volt over here, and here we are printing the value of the voltage over the serial port. Sometime if it is an analog sensor, then we have to put the serial port. We should use a sensor value, and in the serial in this command, and we can use here serial analog serial value, and we can print the analog serial value on the COM port. So results will be here, and you can check the results over there, and you should write these and the results in that result domain. Student, I will leave it to the students. There is a result analysis and discussion, and you students should write this concept, and inference and conclusion, that what are your conclusion on the base of the experiment, that you should write over here. And the learning outcomes are simple learning concept of the sensor interfacing. They are learning concept of the sensor data and capturing with the Arduino. Now distance measuring applications are over there, and WH and object detection is also over there. Okay, so precaution, we need to take the precaution with when we need to handle the kit very carefully, and we should write the instruction properly so that it is easy for use. So in my next experiment I will tell you that how can I interface the keypad with the Arduino microcontroller. So thank you for this lecture. Soon I am coming with the with a hands-on experiment of it. Thank you.